Buzz fuel. Oh no, I'm sorry. Buzz fuel. There's no goo gel. Buzz fuel.
Calls me meow.
I'm back.
And in black.
Yeah, back in black.
Hello, pink man.
We're the absent party.
I don't see any reason for us to vote otherwise. Especially these days, we need human decency. Which you have to admit, like government officials are being stereotyped right now for being corrupt, liars, thieves, and all that, which we're tired of. I mean, don't get me wrong. I'm sure you have met a lot of people who are really there genuinely to serve people. Honest, courteous, a lot of good stuff to say. The thing is, as human behavior, we get captivated with negativity and we kind of get baited into that. So we need a change. We need a beacon of light. We need someone who's been out there, who genuinely served, who's been touching base, who knows what the common people need. When I say common people, it's people who's struggling with daily needs. Yeah, it's the poor who's the majority. And for us who are able to have roof on our heads, food on our table, clothes to wear, we're lucky ones. We're privileged. And a lot of people struggle with that. Can you imagine? So we need someone who really goes out there. We can tell that during this pandemic, there's a person who was able to prove that. And also to her team. We are indeed grateful to have someone like her braving through this dense atmosphere of, divisiveness, hate, and all that. And activities like this, it's very spontaneous, not really planned, and people are finally speaking up after years of being silent, suppressed, threatened. We are pressing on. Time for a change. Time for something authentic. We are here. We're just running the mountains, but just want to inform people that we are present. We're not just in the city, in the comfort of our soft pillows. We are making a stand. We are voicing out in small ways. We're happy to do it, and I hope we get to have activities like this in the future.
Ayan na naman! Kaibigan mo! Nakapink tayo Siyempre po! Pink tayo lahat!
So, why Leni?
Siya lang talaga may proven na sobrang daming ginawa. Even before the pandemic ba, she has so many projects. Dati pa siyang developmental work ang ginagawa even before her joining politics. Yung at buhay niya, sobrang daming natulungan even sa mga liblib na provinces. Pinupuntahan talaga nila. At gustong-gusto ko yung leadership niya na participatory leadership kasi that's a quality na siya lang ang meron sa many politicians.
Brother?
Yo!
Why Leni?
Why Leni? First of all, walang bayad ng corruption. His yeah, COA rating is the highest for 3 years in a row. And yeah, before she joined politics, she was a NGO lawyer. So track record is there, achievements is there. She's not just the lesser evil. She's the best choice. So yeah, those are my reasons.
Grassroots leadership, which means she's the only one who has experience of actually going to the people, knowing what their problem is, and listening to them. Like yung very controversial na Nipa hot, ay Nipa, shings, yung cheap coco lumber na the only reason why that was what she gave to the people was because that was what the people wanted. And you want the type of leaders na doesn't dictate what you want, but goes to you, asks you what you need, and then gives it to you. That's grassroots leadership.
So, why Leni? Good answer.
Kasi pagod na ako. Like what I am right now. Pagod na sa gobyerno. Niloko, corrupt. Tapos, Leni has the highest COA rating. Then, aside from being underdog leader sa VP, kasi we all know na, di ba yung VP, hindi siya masyadong kilala even before. Ngayon lang natin nakilala yung role ng isang pagiging VP. And she listens!
Yes,
So tayo lang, she listens.
most definitely. I guess we all need nuance. You know, it's always been a dichotomy. It's either this or this, but we need someone who understands the gray area, who gets feedback from the people. Yeah, like I mentioned before, and it's something we haven't had for the past few years. You have to admit that. Why Leni? Why Leni?
Because Leni gets done. Leni gets it done.
She fell on the floor. So I covered her up and then thought I'll go look through her drawer. And
Competence, integrity, honesty, which is what we all need right now in the government. That's all.
That's all you need, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Which is very hard to
Find these days.
find these days. Yeah. It's been a while since we had those.
I never took much.
Hope.
I never asked
Hope.
for your crutch, so don't ask for mine.
Congrats. Congrats for Leni. Okay, congrats to everyone. Finally made it to Summit. Yep. Runners for Leni. Yeah. Wish we could have more next time. Pretty much say it's successful. We had fun. Weather was okay. Didn't rain. It rained last night, but now because it rains, sea of clouds over there. Kind of beautiful ladies. So now we're gonna go down, do some photo ops first, and we're doing this for you, Leni, our president, and we know you'll win, and hope there's no issues with the comment. But yeah, we have so much hope and we're happy to do this, and we're happy to do more of this. Willingly.
Hey, Mr. Tambourine Man, play a song for me. I'm not sleepy, and
Right,
there
congrats,
is no
guys.
place I'm going to. Hey, Mr. Tambourine Man, play a song for me. In the jingle jangle morning, I'll come following you.
So now we're about to go down. It's cloudy here. Malabo. Ganto pag di nanalo si Leni, malabo. No? Malabo ang kinabukasan, malabo ang mangyayari. So
Wala tayong makikita.
wala tayong makita pag di siya nanalo. So ngayon we're gonna go to where the light is kasi andun si Leni, Ma'am Leni. So doon ang liwanag. Ito kami pupunta ngayon. Di ba?
Hey, Mr. Tambourine Man, play a song for me. I'm not sleepy, and there is no place I'm going to. Hey, Mr. Tambourine Man, play a song for me. In the jingle jangle morning, I'll come following you. Take me on a trip upon your magic swirling ship. My senses have been stripped. My hands can't feel the grip. My toes too numb to step. Wait only for my boot heels to be wandering. I'm ready to go anywhere. I'm ready for to fade into my own parade. Cast your dancing spell my way. I promise to go under it. Hey, Mr. Tambourine Man, play a song for me. I'm not sleepy and there is no place I'm going to. Hey, Mr. Tambourine Man, play a song for me. In the jingle jangle morning, I'll come following you. Though you might hear laughing, spinning, swinging madly across the sun, it's not aimed at anyone, it's just escaping on the run. And but for the sky there are no fences facing. And if you hear vague traces of skipping reels of rhyme to your tambourine in time, it's just a ragged clown behind. I wouldn't pay it any mind. That's just a shadow you're seeing that he's chasing. Hey, Mr. Tambourine Man, play a song for me. I'm not sleepy and there is no place I'm going
Leni.
to.
Leni!
Hey, Mr. Tambourine Man, play a song for me. In the jingle jangle morning, I'll come following you.
Job.
Then take me disappearing through the smoke rings of my mind, down the foggy rooms of time, far past the frozen leaves, the haunted frightened trees, out to the windy beach, far from the twisted reach of crazy sorrow. Yes, to dance beneath the diamond sky with one hand waving free, silhouetted by the sea, circled by the circus sands, with all memory and fate driven deep beneath the waves. Let me forget about today until tomorrow.